In a world where safety is becoming a luxury, there stands one small nation that has mastered the art of peace, order, and discipline: Singapore. Known for its spotless streets, efficient governance, and remarkably low crime rate, Singapore continues to top global safety rankings in 2025. Here, people walk freely at night, children play without fear, and laws are respected by all. But what exactly makes this island nation so secure while others struggle with chaos and crime? From advanced technology to strong community values, Singapore's safety is no accident, it's the result of vision, planning, and trust. Join us as we explore 10 reasons why Singapore remains the safest country in the world in 2025. 1. Extremely low crime rates. Singapore has one of the lowest crime rates in the world. Violent crimes like murder, assault, or robbery are almost unheard of. The city's strong police presence, efficient surveillance systems, and strict punishments discourage potential offenders. Most citizens and visitors feel comfortable walking anywhere, even late at night. Petty crimes such as pickpocketing are also rare due to the culture of honesty and civic responsibility. According to the 2025 Global Peace Index, over 98% of Singaporeans feel safe walking alone after dark, a figure unmatched globally. This low level of crime reflects not only strong law enforcement but also a disciplined society that values order, trust, and respect for the law. 2. Strict laws and zero tolerance for crime. Singapore is renowned for its strong and uncompromising laws that maintain peace and discipline across the nation. From enforcing public cleanliness to regulating social order, every rule is designed to create a safe and respectful environment for everyone. The penalties for serious offenses such as theft, vandalism, or corruption are strict and clearly defined, leaving no room for misbehavior. This zero-tolerance approach sends a strong message that unlawful actions will face firm consequences. The fear of penalties, combined with a culture of civic responsibility, keeps people disciplined and law-abiding. Even visitors quickly adapt to this orderly system. Clear laws and consistent enforcement make Singapore one of the most peaceful and secure nations in the world. 3. Highly efficient and trusted police force. Singapore's police force is among the most efficient and trusted in the world. The Singapore Police Force, SPF, is well-trained, well-equipped, and supported by advanced technology, including CCTV networks and predictive crime analysis. Officers respond quickly to emergencies and maintain a visible presence in public areas, deterring crime. The public's trust in law enforcement is extremely high, with citizens cooperating readily to keep communities safe. The SPF also focuses on preventive measures, educating the public about scams, cybercrime, and safety awareness. Their professionalism, integrity, and transparency make Singapore's policing system a model for other nations, ensuring citizens and tourists alike feel secure at all times in daily life. 4. Strong governance and low corruption. Singapore's government is globally admired for its transparency, integrity, and accountability. Corruption is almost non-existent, thanks to strict anti-corruption laws and agencies like the Corrupt Practices Investigation Bureau, CPIB. Public officials are held to high ethical standards, ensuring fairness in law enforcement, governance, and the judiciary. This clean governance promotes trust between citizens and institutions, making crime and bribery socially unacceptable. Because government services are efficient and reliable, people rarely resort to illegal shortcuts. In 2025, Singapore again ranked among the least corrupt nations worldwide, proving that honesty in leadership directly supports safety, justice, and national stability. Low corruption means resources go where they're needed most: public security, safety infrastructure, and law enforcement. 5. Advanced surveillance and smart city technology. Singapore has invested heavily in smart technology to enhance public safety. Thousands of CCTV cameras monitor streets, transport hubs, and residential areas, helping authorities respond swiftly to any suspicious activity. Artificial intelligence assists in analyzing behavior patterns, predicting risks, and preventing crimes before they happen. Smart traffic systems also help reduce accidents and ensure smooth emergency responses. These technologies are integrated with citizen reporting apps, making safety a shared responsibility between people and the government. While some critics raise privacy concerns, most residents accept it as a fair trade for peace and order. This fusion of human efficiency and digital innovation makes Singapore a pioneer in technology-driven urban security. 6. Multiracial harmony and social stability. Singapore's society thrives on unity in diversity. Despite its mix of Chinese, Malay, Indian, and Eurasian communities, the nation has maintained remarkable racial and religious harmony. The government actively promotes respect through laws, education, and community programs that prevent discrimination and hate speech. Strict regulations on racial or religious provocation ensure that conflicts are resolved peacefully. Festivals of all cultures are celebrated nationwide, strengthening mutual understanding. This unity helps avoid the social unrest seen in other countries. In 2025, Singapore remains an example of how harmony, equality, and mutual respect build a safer, more stable environment where everyone feels protected, regardless of background or belief. 7. Minimal natural disaster risk. Singapore's geographical location gives it a major safety advantage. It sits outside the main zones for earthquakes, typhoons, and tsunamis, which makes natural disasters extremely rare. The country also invests in advanced drainage systems to prevent floods and has strong environmental regulations to manage climate risks. This natural stability ensures safety not only for citizens but also for businesses and tourists. Compared to countries prone to hurricanes or quakes, Singapore's environment offers peace of mind and predictable safety. Its clean, well-maintained infrastructure adds another layer of protection, ensuring the country remains both physically secure and resilient to any environmental challenge in 2025 and beyond. 8. Strong community policing and public cooperation. Safety in Singapore isn't just about laws, it's a shared effort between the police and the community. The government encourages active public participation through neighborhood watch programs and digital platforms where citizens can report suspicious activities. This sense of responsibility builds a culture where people look out for one another. Schools, workplaces, and residential areas all emphasize civic values and security awareness. The result is a close-knit, cooperative society where citizens trust both their neighbors and the authorities. This community-driven model prevents crime before it starts and ensures that Singapore's safety is sustained through unity, awareness, and collective vigilance, rather than fear or control. 9. Rapid justice system and strong legal framework. Singapore's legal system is efficient, transparent, and fair, ensuring that justice is served quickly. Courts handle cases promptly, reducing delays that often weaken justice in other countries. Laws are clear, and judges are known for their integrity. There's little room for corruption or manipulation in the system. Strict sentencing discourages crime, while rehabilitation programs help reform offenders effectively. The country's well-structured legal framework ensures both accountability and fairness, keeping citizens' trust intact. This swift, no-nonsense approach to justice plays a huge role in maintaining Singapore's global reputation as a peaceful and secure nation. 10. Focus on digital and cybersecurity. As technology evolves, Singapore has taken a proactive stance against cybercrime and online scams. The government launched strict regulations like the Online Safety Code and the Cybersecurity Act to protect citizens from digital threats. Public education campaigns raise awareness about phishing, data privacy, and online fraud. Dedicated cyber units in the police force track and prevent internet-based crimes effectively. While many countries struggle with digital safety, Singapore's integrated cyber defenses and smart governance keep it one step ahead. In 2025, its combination of digital literacy, advanced monitoring, and quick enforcement ensures that both the physical and virtual worlds remain safe for everyone.